Easy Ads for Unity Ads makes integration super easy. Quickly, I will demonstrate how you can use it. To get the package, you can write Easy Ads for Unity Ads on the Google. Click on this first link, it will open the package in Unity Asset Store. And if you are already in Asset Store, you can search here. To get the package, click on Add to Cart. And now this asset is in your Unity account, and you can click here to open your asset in Unity. And now let's start the tutorial how you can use it. Open Unity and Package Manager. Go to Windows and click Package Manager. Before installing the Easy Ads for Unity Ads, we will be installing the Unity Advertisement package. So this package will work as a base, and on top of it we will have a Easy Ads for Unity Ads. Search the package and install it. Now switch the tab to My Assets. Select Easy Ads for Unity and download the package. Now click on Import to install the package. To demonstrate the functionality of this package, we have a demo scene named as Easy Ads Example. Let's open it up. For the first time, it may ask you to import the Text Mesh Pro, so just simply click on Import button. This is because for the text I'm using a Text Mesh Pro. It's free, Unity provided. Click on the play button, it will automatically refresh the text. Click on Banner Ads to show the banners at bottom. In the editor, it's a small size banner, but on the device it will be a proper size. Now let's test the video ads. I also provided the different callbacks to test the status of the ad. The game object in hierarchy view user game project is used to how you can utilize this package into your project. As we have seen, the ads are working on the editor, but next we will be testing on the device. Before creating a build on the device, we will be linking this project to the Unity ads. Open the project setting and select the services tab. From here you can select the organization that you have created already in Unity dashboard. We can create a new or we can use the existing. I will be using existing option as I already created a project in Unity dashboard. Select your organization and your project. And press the Link Project ID button. Press Yes to confirm. After successful linking, it will import the project ID and game IDs from the Unity dashboard. And this is the Unity Ads package version I am using. And these are the game IDs for Android and iOS. Copy these IDs and select Easy Ads Manager and paste here. After importing the Easy Ads package, these are just a sample IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to replace them with original IDs. Check the test mode to turn on the test mode ads. Easy Ads Manager controls test or live ads from here. I will be testing this on iOS device, so open up the build setting and switch your project to iOS. Open the build settings again and create an Xcode project. Open the Xcode project. And now let's connect the device. For the testing, I will be using an iPhone XS. Build and install on the device. On the device, let's test the banner ads again. And here you can see the Unity working test ads on the device. Now let's test the rewarded ads. So these are the Unity test ads normally we use during the development of the project. Once we're done with the development, we just simply turn off the test mode check. Our coins was 110. After watching the complete rewarded ad, our coins will be 120. Let's jump back to Unity and it's time to test the live ads. And to achieve that, we will just uncheck the test mode. Let's again create a new build and test on device. And here is the latest build and I'm going to test the rewarded ads. And sometimes it's possible ads are not showing because sometimes ads are not available in that region at that moment. And we have different callbacks to see user have watched the complete ad or not. And based on that, we are rewarding the user with 10 coins. By default, it was 100. After watching the ad, now we have 110. In your own project, you just simply need to drag and drop this Easy Ads Manager prefab. User game project script is just a sample script that demonstrates how you can utilize Easy Ads Manager. In the awake method, we are getting the Easy Ads Manager. And after that, anywhere in your script, you just simply write Easy Ads Manager dot and it will show you a list of functions that you can use to show or hide ads. And this script also demonstrated how you can use different callbacks to know the status of the ad, like ad is completed or skipped. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, please contact me. I will be available to resolve it.